We are out in Maine on the beach running some tests with a new setup, and we've got the Sony FX6 on here, which is really dope, and we're just doing some tests. I'm excited to fly it out here and just kind of get some slow-mo. I want to test 60 frames a second. We're going to test the 4K 120 because I know you guys want to see that, and then we're also going to test the 1080 240 frames a second. Maybe. I only brought 2 batteries. And we're running the Laowa 14mm full frame. And if you don't know what this camera is, this is a full frame cinema camera with internal ND. It records up to 4K 120, 422, 10-bit. And yeah, this thing weighs like, I think it's within like 1/10 of a pound of the Komodo, so like fully comparable to Komodo weight. Whenever I'm like out testing or somewhere where I don't have power, I always bring 2 of my 5100 6S. It gives me like a 10,000 mAh battery bank. And ISDT makes this like field charger. We've got 10,000 mAh of field charging power out here through this little M6D charger. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing up in the air and show you guys some footage and let you know how it flies.